The story about the boy and the camera. There are this boy that absolutely fell in love with photography. He had a vision to look at life with beautiful perspective. He saw only the good side of the picture he was taking. He smiled and said, "Wow, this is really a remarkable world." But the one thing that the boy forgot, that he was looking through a lens. He then realized that the lens filtered everything that is bad in our world. The boy was shocked. He could not believe that they hide so much from him. The boy said, "How can I live in this chaos and violence?" He immediately grabbed the lens and put it back in the camera. What you need to learn from this story is to not look at the world with blind eyes. There are a lot of bad stuff out there. Don't forget that. Don't ignore it. However, fight it. This is how I look at life.